Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the heart of a beautiful valley, lived a young boy named Ahmed. Ahmed was known for his kindness, generosity, and his love for Allah. He had a heart full of curiosity and a mind eager to learn about the teachings of Islam. One sunny morning, as Ahmed was walking by the village mosque, he noticed an elderly man struggling to carry a heavy load of firewood. Without hesitation, Ahmed rushed to his aid and offered to help. Together, they carefully carried the firewood to the man's humble home. As a token of gratitude, the elderly man invited Ahmed inside. Sitting on a comfortable mat, they began to talk about life and the blessings of Allah. The old man shared stories of his own adventures and the lessons he had learned along the way. Ahmed listened intently, soaking up the wisdom and guidance the elder had to offer. One particular story caught Ahmed's attention. The elder recounted the tale of a young prophet named Yusuf, Joseph, from long ago. Yusuf had faced many challenges and trials, yet he remained patient, steadfast, and devoted to Allah. He showed forgiveness and kindness even when others treated him poorly. Inspired by the story, Ahmed felt a surge of determination to be like Prophet Yusuf in his own life. He realized that no matter what difficulties he encountered, he could always turn to Allah for strength and guidance. Ahmed understood that being kind, forgiving, and patient were not just qualities admired by Prophet Yusuf, but also traits valued by Allah in every believer. From that day forward, Ahmed made a promise to himself and to Allah. He would strive to be a source of goodness and compassion, just like Prophet Yusuf. He would help those in need, offer a helping hand to the elderly, and treat everyone with respect and love. Ahmed's commitment to following the path of righteousness did not go unnoticed. His acts of kindness inspired others in the village, and soon they joined him in his mission to spread goodness and love. The village became a place of harmony, where people supported and cared for one another, following the teachings of Islam. And so, Ahmed's small act of kindness blossomed into a beautiful movement, transforming the lives of many. His dedication to being a good Muslim taught everyone the importance of living with love, compassion, and faith. The story of Ahmed reminds us that even the smallest actions can make a big difference in the world. By following the teachings of